discuss about the second property of carbon. The second property of carbon is known as catenation. Remember, catenation is the property of atom. It is the property of any atom. Catenation is the property of atom. So what is catenation? Write down the properties of direct bonding. Direct bonding between the atoms of same elements. Direct bonding between the atoms of same elements to form a long chain, branches or closed structures. Okay, three things we can form: long chain, branches and closed structures by using the same atoms, or you can say bonding between the same atoms. I am giving one example of long chain. See, suppose carbon. Here I am taking 4 number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a long chain. Now it is the bonding between carbon and carbon. So it is known as catenation. Now we can take any branched structure also. See, it is the branch structure. Remember, in each carbon the valency is 4, tetravalency. Here see how the tetravalency is. This carbon, it has 4 bonds. 1 bond is attached with 1 carbon. 3 bonds are vacant. Okay, you can attach hydrogen with the 3 bonds, no problem. This carbon attached with this carbon and this carbon. So 2 bonds already filled. Now 2 bonds are vacant. Okay, in this carbon also 2 sides attached. This side attached with this carbon and this side attached with this carbon. 2 bonds vacant. And in this carbon only attached with 1 carbon and 3 sides are vacant. So this one is the tetravalency. The previous property I am remembering. And the second one, this is the branch structure. You can take carbon as a branch also, no problem. Here see, this carbon valency, these are the valency, just like the previous. But in this carbon, see, this carbon is connected with another carbon and only 1 bond is vacant. Here also connected, here also connected, here also connected. Only 1 bond is vacant. Okay, so it is the branch structure. Closed structure, how we can draw? See, see, this one is the closed structure. Within the carbon and carbon, we can draw any closed structure. It is a hexagonal structure generally. So see, here the valency, these are vacant. In each carbon, you can connect only 2 things, as each and every carbon connected with 2 carbons. Each and every carbon. It is a closed structure. You can draw the closed structure like the rectangular structure, that is quadrilateral structure. Triangular structure also you can draw. This one is also closed structure. Okay, pentagonal structure also you can draw. This one is also closed structure. So these are the closed structures. This is the branch structure and this is the, that is the long chain structure. Okay, so these chain formation of chain in carbon generally, formation of branch in carbon, formation of closed structure in carbon is known as your catenation. Okay, this property is known as catenation. Now come to the third property. Third property is your polymerization. Third property is your polymerization. It is the property of atom, but it is the property of molecule. It is the property of molecule. Remember, polymerization is the property of molecule. How? See, suppose n number of atoms connected. Poly means always many. In mathematics, polynomial means many terms like this. Here polymerization. Poly means many number of terms can be connected or many number of structures can be connected to each other. Okay, suppose we have one structure like this. Here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here hydrogen, here also hydrogen. Okay, if we will connect n here, that means n number of these structures are present. N number of these structures are present. Okay, so how we can define this one? Write down the definition. The process of, write down, the process of attachment, the process of attachment in which small molecules can form a long chain molecule. Small molecule can connect to form a long chain molecule. Now you will ask me, what is the difference between then this and this? This one is the question. This is also formation of long chain, and this is also formation of long chain. Here only one difference. It is the long chain by the combination of atoms, and it is the long chain by the combination of molecules. This is the only difference. Okay, it is the combination of molecules in the long chain, and it is the combination of atoms in the long chain. Okay, then we will discuss the next property.